Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure JupyterLab on AWS SageMaker Studio, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the AWS Management Console. Sign in to your AWS account using your credentials. In the AWS Management Console, locate and select Amazon SageMaker from the Services menu. Once in the SageMaker dashboard, click on Studio in the left-hand navigation pane. If you haven't set up SageMaker Studio before, click Get Started to create a new studio domain. Follow the prompts to configure your studio domain, including selecting a project name and IAM role. Once the studio domain is created, navigate to the SageMaker Studio interface. Click on the Launch App button next to the JupyterLab option. Wait for JupyterLab to load in your browser. In JupyterLab, go to the File browser on the left side. Click on the folder icon to create a new folder for your projects. Name the folder appropriately based on the project you plan to work on. Inside your new folder, create a new Python file by right-clicking and selecting New File. Name the file with a .ipynb extension to open the newly created notebook by double-clicking on it. To install any required packages, open a new terminal in JupyterLab. Use the terminal to run pip commands for installing packages, like pip install numpy or pip install pandas. Once the packages are installed, return to your Jupyter notebook. Start coding by importing the necessary libraries you installed. You can save your work frequently by clicking on the Save icon or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S. To visualize your data, use built-in plotting libraries, such as Matplotlib or Seaborn. When you're finished working, make sure to stop your Jupyter session from the SageMaker dashboard. This ends your session, ensuring that resources are not unnecessarily consumed. You can return to JupyterLab anytime by launching it again from the SageMaker Studio. That's it, you have successfully configured JupyterLab on AWS SageMaker Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.